This video is for non-native English speakers who want to learn natural, everyday English and who want to share natural, everyday English with their babies or with their young children at home. My name is Brittany. I'm an English teacher and I live in Canada with my husband and with our son. Today we are moving into a new home and I invite you to join us and learn some new words and some new phrases in a very messy, unplanned, real life way. If you enjoy this kind of video, please let me know in the comments down below. Let me know your name, where you're from, and tell me, yes, I enjoy this kind of video and I will make more of them for you. Oh no!
This is Earth, look. It's Earth.
Oh, that's Earth. I see it now.
If we put all this around.
That's our planet? That's where we live?
It's not ready yet. Some red dots. Actually, it's not Earth.
It's not Earth?
It's Venus, which is a red dot.
Oh, Venus.
Has a red dot here.
I think Jupiter has a big red dot, doesn't it?
Actually, yeah, it is. Let me see in my space book. Can you get my space book?
Your space book? Yeah, I'll go check your space book for you. So I have made a list of natural English phrases that I say to my son every day, and I have put all of these phrases into a free PDF guide for you. These are lists of real natural phrases that I say to my son, and these are completely free for subscribers of my email list. So you can get those emailed to you straight to your email inbox right now. I will put it in the description under this video down below. Post these PDFs around your house, in your kitchen, in your bathroom, in your children's bedroom, and you will be reminded to use natural English phrases every day with your child. It takes repetition and consistency, and sometimes we just need a little bit of a visual reminder. So don't forget to pick up those PDFs from the link in the description below. It's a little bit loud. There's some dogs barking outside. Welcome to the chaos of moving. There are boxes everywhere in our apartment because we are moving in 4 days, I think. Is it 4 days from now? So we're just going to be spending the next few days packing boxes and preparing to move to our new home. That's why my hair looks like this. Sorry, what are you doing? Kitchen stuff is almost packed. Dirty dishes. Now it looks like Mars. Man, I'm really going to miss this view. It's so beautiful. But we will have more space at our new apartment. It is so messy in here. Laundry drying over there. My son's toys being packed into these boxes. Oh, we have a lot of work to do. I just stepped on this Lego. I step on Legos all the time. If you have little kids, you know the horrible feeling of stepping on one of your kids' toys in your bare feet. Ugh, it's awful. And now I'm going to keep packing. I can't talk. Right now I have packing tape and scissors and a lot of old boxes that we've been collecting so that we can pack our stuff in them. So I'm just putting these boxes together, taping them back together, and then I'm going to pack them with some of our, I'm not sure, I might put my son's books in this box, or I might put our refrigerator stuff, like the magnets that are on the refrigerator and all of our sort of odds and ends that are on the fridge right now. I might put them in this box. We're not moving very far, so it's not that difficult of a move. Sometimes if you're moving to, you know, another city or another country, it's much, much more complicated to move. So, oops, I just cut the tape and I'm going to tape this box shut on the bottom. Ooh, okay, perfect. Cooped up inside all day.
I can't go up because I have my food.
Yay! Someone made a hopscotch here.
Now, 10 by 1. 10 by 1.
Woohoo! We had a little bit of an injury. So many boo-boos. He was unable to walk 2 minutes ago, but now he's climbing a tree trunk.
Rien, mais grosse.
Wow, that is a big beetle.
Voilà.
It's bad. Does it feel funny?
No, it just
Tickled you?
You bit him, I think.
It bit you? Hey. Does it bite?
Yeah, it's a big one. When they're big, they can bite.
Oh, yeah?
When they're big, they can bite. When they're tiny, they can't bite.
Oh.
Like germs, they can't bite.
Germs can't bite us.
Look at its mouth.
Oh, yeah. Little pinchers on it, huh? That's pretty cool.
Bite me, I can't hold it.
You say?
I
Maybe
guess-
it doesn't.
Let's see. This is called Spackling. To spackle. Very useful. A very useful vocabulary word. Wow, Phil is doing a great job spackling.
Don't look.
Filling up the holes. Filling the holes in the wall. Spackling the walls. So I guess I'll just, oops. I'm making a mess. I'll just take all of these magnets off the fridge and throw them in the box. Trying to find where the tape starts is the worst. Okay, here we go. We got it. We got it. We'll put a little piece of tape on the inside too. Et voila. Okay. Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah. I'll move.
Maybe if I go like this. This is supposed to be done.
Probably not. You good?
If this collapses on you, it's on video.
Cool. All right.
We just have one straw, Mama.
And we just have one straw?
That's all you have.
I know, we don't have any straws.
We just have one, look.
Oh, and you're using it for your drink? Hmm. You're eating dinner with your Legos? It has been a long day of packing. A long few days of packing, actually. I am so tired. And getting ready to watch my last sunset at this apartment. We've had a lot of great memories here, so it's making me a little bit sad, nostalgic. But it's time to move into a slightly bigger space, and it's exciting. It'll be good. More boxes. Frozen pizza. Okay, today's the day. We're moving. But first, coffee. Today, our friends are coming over to help us move. Let me see. Hello! That is a big moving truck.
Let me go in the middle.
Welcome to the crazy house! Yay! Thank you guys so much for coming. Thank you so much for coming.
You're moving to a bigger house?
Okay, here's our empty apartment. Our friends just left us. Got our U-Haul truck down here. Our entire apartment is in that U-Haul. All of our stuff.
Tout rempli. Et plein de choses. Tout l'appartement.
And then
Got fuzz in your hair.
are they gonna come back here?
Well, we're gonna see them at the new apartment. We're not moving too far away, buddy. That was so nice of everybody to help us.
Yeah.
In the U-Haul? Can we go see the U-Haul?
Yeah, we can go bring stuff.
He's gonna open it up. Wow! Our whole apartment. Oh my goodness, look at that.
I'm gonna go inside.
Okay.
Ben could help me feed it, maybe.
Okay, our last mission before we leave our apartment is to release our little pet ants, our little friends. Dada's pet ants, not our pet ants. Okay, let's do it.
When people find ants, was just a kid and a dada, and not a mama.
Okay.
That means there's just a kid. This is ours. This
Okay.
is ours.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of ants. There's some crawling on your hands, bud. Does it tickle? Okay.
Some on my leg. Rough. This is their food here.
That's their food. Can you shake some of these ants off? Okay, bye ants. It was fun knowing you. See you later. Oh my gosh, there's a million of them. It looks like a lot of ants under that rock there.
Look, it just came out.